So in this video we're going to focus on replacing the fuser kit, which is the FK7125 for this photocopying machine, which is a Kyocera Taskalfa 3212i. So in this case, remember, first things first, we are supposed to always first switch off the machine, or rather the photocopying machine that we are dealing with. So in this case, this one is having an error. It's running an error. And, let me switch it off. It has like a switch here. After switching it off, we can then open this other cover on the extreme side of the copying machine. So this is the fuser kit that we would want to replace. Now this fuser kit has been causing the printer to, or rather this photocopying machine to misbehave by having lots of paper jam here. So it has two handles, this side and this side. So let's first remove it and check it out. Just like this, you press this, then you pull it out with these handles. Now this is the fuser kit which is having issues, and we need to replace it. Reason being, this holder is broken and it doesn't roll very well. These rollers don't roll very well. It's supposed to be intact, so this one is a bit broken. Reason being that you see here, there are handles that are supposed to hold it, and this thing is supposed to be firmly fixed into the fuser kit. So this one is off, meaning it's faulty and needs to be replaced. So we need to get this off, and we are going to replace it with the new one, which is here. This is our new one in this box. Let's get it out. So as you can see, this let me just cover this. So this is the one that is broken on the other old one. You see, it's supposed to be like this, intact. It's not supposed to fall off. Now the other one was falling off. This one, as you can see, is falling off due to the broken part that holds it. So let's replace this new one into the machine. So still in the same spirit, you just press down this and then follow the path that came from. Then you press it inside, and then you close. After that, you can just close the cover itself, just like that, and then you switch on. Give us a welcome message. Press for the password. Now this is the password I use here. We shall be good to go.